6:23. So we're told some Jefferson County elected officials have been at odds for quite some time.
The quorum court meetings between some of the justices and Judge Robinson can lead to shouting if the two sides can meet at all.
Officials involved say it's affecting county employees and taxpayers, and those we talk to tell us something has to change.
Not me, but sick. Not irresponsible, but sick. And I would hope that you all pray for the county judge.
Infighting, accusations, and name calling.
He has been bullying people since day one, trying to keep you from doing your job. I hadn't been able to get on the agenda to get anything for that tax office.
Elected officials let it all hang out during a news conference about the way County Judge Gerald Robinson handles the business of Jefferson County.
Absolute power corrupts absolutely. If it was a dictionary, it would have his picture sitting there beside it.
Some of their long list of claims include Judge Robinson ending the meetings abruptly, locking the quorum court meeting room to keep members out. He's accused of refusing to sign off on nearly $300,000 in claims for the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office, threatening justices by inviting a black Muslim group to stand guard during the meeting. Claims of spending nearly $350,000 in taxpayer funds to cover lawsuits against him while denying the quorum court's ability to have its legal representation. Would you say that this is an abuse of power?
Exactly. According to the Arkansas Constitution, one branch of government cannot do things that impede the other branch of government from doing its job.
It's a total abuse of power, but the problem is when you have a quorum court that doesn't have adequate, or not even adequate, any representation legal-wise, where do we go?
And county employees called 7 on your side after not being paid for doing their job. Quorum court members tell us Judge Robinson refused to sign payroll not once but twice, and several hundred employees were paid late. Employees told us they would talk with us only if we hid their identity because they were afraid of retaliation from Judge Robinson.
And I believe he should resign. He's not able to do the duties of the county judge. He's not carrying out in the best interest of the employees, or his constituents.
It's not everybody's problem. Whoever is having an issue, you need to direct that to them.
Elected officials say miles of potholes on several county roads show how the fighting is leaving the meeting and affecting taxpayers' quality of life. Judge Robinson, this is Ryan Houston from Channel 7. I called Judge Robinson's office several times, asking for an interview for his side of what's going on in the county. I also sent text messages as well. His administrative assistant finally responded back and told me that his schedule was full. So in regards to not being paid, the Fair Labor Standards Act states that employees must be paid for all hours worked in a work week. We also reached out to the State Attorney General, Tim Griffin. He sent over this statement. It reads in part, as a general matter, employees should be paid for the work they do in a timely manner. That foundational component of the employer-employee relationship extends across all sectors, including government.